Okay, Quinn, you ready to do your craft project? Here you go. Contained painting. You have to smush it. What's on the other side? I don't know, Mom. We'll see how good this. Oh, look! You have to smush it. Smush it. You try. So this is lame, Mom. Give me a brush. Look, what's happening to the paper?
Oh.
Look it. To move it all around. Look it. What's going on the paper? You see the colors? But the paint stays in the bag. Hey? Oh. Here, look it. What's in there? Look it. Push on it. You want to open it up. Hey? What's in the bag? Smush it all around. You want to see what's inside? Should we take it out and see what magical picture you made? Look. That's a girl. Move the pieces. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. That a girl. Get the paint on the paper. Shake it up. Shake it. Shake it. Look. Watch Mommy. Watch Mommy. Do the other side. Push it on. You're not interested in this one. All right. Contained toddler painting. Fail.